Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL C33 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then we have to find the security. Now let's tap on the fingerprint and tap on Fingerprint Manager. This is basically the very first step of adding the fingerprint if you do not have a screen lock. You'll have to add it. If you've got one, no worries, you will be just transferred to another step. You really have to do it right now because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern, PIN or password. Let me pick the pattern, for example. Let me draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Here you have to decide what kind of notification content you want to show on the lock screen. It's up to you, just mark the option and tap on done. Now we can simply tap on add fingerprint, and as you can see, we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the back of our device. So simply put the finger on it, and let's do it multiple times to add the fingerprint fully. Of course, let's change the position of the finger to catch all of the areas of it. And as you can see, the fingerprint has been added. If you want, you can add another. If not, just tap on done. And we cannot really do anything with the fingerprint here. We cannot really customize the functions, for example. We can simply tap on it. We can rename it if you want to, or remove it. Alright, so let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.